Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is on the best tire shines. This list is the result of detailed research and hands-on testing, considering features, pricing quality, and brand reputation. Make sure to check the description below for more details and up-to-date pricing. We've included all the links in the description below. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Starting at number 5, Apex Acrylic Tire Shine and Applicator. Give your tires a deep, long-lasting showroom shine with Apex Acrylic Tire Shine and Applicator. Made in the USA, this advanced tire dressing uses acrylic polymer technology to deliver a durable, semi-permanent glossy finish that lasts for months. Once applied, it forms a protective seal on the rubber surface that helps repel water, dirt, and road grime while preventing oxidation and tire browning. The fast-drying, dry-to-the-touch formula ensures a clean finish with no greasy residue or sling, keeping your vehicle looking sharp even after driving. Easy to apply with the included foam applicator, it spreads evenly across the tire surface and can be layered to achieve your desired level of gloss, from a subtle sheen to an extreme high-shine look. In addition to enhancing appearance, it also helps protect tires from environmental damage, keeping them cleaner and darker for longer periods. Ideal for car enthusiasts who want lasting results and professional quality tire care at home. Number 4. Armor All High Gloss Tire Shine. Upgrade your tire care routine with Armor All Podium Series Hybrid Ceramic High Gloss Tire Shine Spray, developed in collaboration with Oracle Red Bull Racing. This advanced formula uses SiO2-based ceramic technology to create a durable protective barrier that enhances both appearance and longevity. Designed to deliver an intense, high-gloss finish, it transforms dull tires into a sleek, showroom-ready look while helping protect against dirt, grime, and environmental wear. The hybrid ceramic formula clings to the tire surface without dripping and self-levels for a smooth, even coating. Engineered for convenience, the precision spray trigger ensures controlled application, making it easy to achieve consistent results every time. Built for durability, the shine can last for weeks and withstand exposure to rain and multiple car washes without losing its rich finish. Ideal as the final step in your wheel and tire detailing process, it keeps tires looking bold, clean, and professionally maintained. Number 3. Meguiar's Endurance Tire Gel. Give your tires a deep, long-lasting showroom finish with Meguiar's Endurance Tire Gel, a premium tire dressing designed to deliver a rich, high-gloss shine that lasts for weeks. Formulated with advanced macropolymers and copolymers, it bonds to the tire surface to resist washing, rain, and daily driving conditions while maintaining a deep black, freshly detailed look. The gel-based formula ensures smooth, even application without drips, runs, or overspray, making it easy to achieve professional results at home. In addition to enhancing appearance, it includes UV protection to help prevent browning and cracking caused by sun exposure, keeping tires looking newer for longer. Users can customize the finish by applying a second coat for an even higher gloss or wiping off excess for a more subtle shine. Simple to apply with a foam applicator or cloth, it delivers consistent results and reliable protection, making it a trusted choice for long-lasting tire care and maintenance. Number 2. Car Guys Tire Shine Spray. Achieve a deep, professional-looking finish with Car Guys Tire Shine Spray, designed to deliver the perfect balance of gloss, protection, and ease of use. This advanced tire dressing lets you customize your desired look. Whether you prefer a high-gloss wet shine or a smooth satin finish, its fast-drying, non-greasy formula ensures a clean application with no sling, drips, or oily residue, leaving tires looking freshly detailed and well-maintained. Infused with a proprietary polymer blend, it helps hydrate and protect rubber surfaces from harmful UV rays that can cause fading, cracking, and browning over time. The included applicator pad allows for precise, even coverage, making it easy to achieve consistent results with every use. Built for durability, it provides a long-lasting shine that keeps tires looking clean and black for extended periods. Ideal for regular detailing or quick touch-ups, it delivers reliable performance and a professional finish every time. Number 1. Chemical Guys Tire Kicker. Bring back a rich, freshly detailed look with Chemical Guys Tire Kicker Sprayable Extra Glossy Tire Shine Spray, designed to restore a deep, wet finish to tires and exterior surfaces. This versatile dressing enhances rubber, vinyl, and plastic, reviving faded areas with a bold, showroom-quality shine. Its advanced formula helps protect against environmental damage such as UV fading, cracking, and discoloration, keeping surfaces looking newer for longer. Easy to apply, the sprayable design allows for quick, even coverage. Simply apply, spread, and wipe for a smooth, streak-free finish. Once cured, it dries to the touch without leaving behind greasy residue or unwanted sling. Suitable for a wide range of vehicles including cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and boats, it delivers consistent results across multiple surfaces. Ideal for both interior and exterior detailing, it provides a refreshed, glossy appearance that enhances overall vehicle aesthetics while maintaining a clean, professional finish after every use.